Well, hello, my kings and queens. Today, your queen diva of Alzheimer's and dementia. We're going to talk about avocado. Avocados is a great nutritionist, vitamin, food for your body. Our Alzheimer's patients, we're trying to keep them as healthy as possible. The dementia patients, we're trying to keep them as healthy as possible. A lot of times their skin is very, very dry. Believe me, for those of you that are taking care of an Alzheimer's patient or a dementia patient, cousin, uncle, whatever, a lot of things we don't know about. And you don't learn about these things unless someone else tells you from their experience. Well, I have been taking care of Alzheimer's and dementia patients for about 12, maybe close to 14 years. But, and people still call me for advice. I drink avocado smoothies, if not every day, every other day. As a matter of fact, I just made me one smoothie and it's so delicious. Hmm. Now that tastes good. Now this is bananas, pineapples, and avocado. You can put any type of fruit that you want with that and make you a smoothie. You can make that avocado as green as you want to. You can put avocado, bok choy, and pineapples together. That's a great one. You can do strawberries and avocado and pineapples, or you could do strawberries, bananas, and avocado. And just different types of smoothie. And you don't have to use any sugar because the banana and the pineapples will sweeten it up. It's all natural. And also, avocado is a good source of fiber. It is also very good for your skin. And also, me personally, this is my number one thing. It's good for your brain cells. So, as we know, that our dementia and Alzheimer's patients, their brains start to shrink. If we start to feed our body better, this shell that we're in, we got to try to preserve it as much as we can. So, it has been a study done in 2005, I believe, that avocado was a good source of brain food. So, for those of you that are taking care of an Alzheimer's patient, try to learn as much as you can about Alzheimer's and dementia. Nutrition is so key here. As this disease is growing so much, it has grown over years. And as you know, that there's no cure for it. I call it the long goodbye disease. But as a human being, I want to try to slow it down. So, what better way to slow it down is with research on different types of food for the body. Natural things is better for me. But I also made avocado rice. My husband is Arabic, so we make this rice and it has noodles in it. And I decided to add avocado. And I had guests over and they was like, "What is this dish?" And I told them it was just avocado and rice with noodles. And they just thought that it was so delicious. You can also make avocado cream potatoes. You can get the red potatoes or white potatoes. You could even mix this in with sweet potatoes as well. And before I go on, don't forget to hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified each time I post something new. Now, in my last video, I talked about saving your seeds in your avocado. If you save your seeds in your avocado, even a few can make a lot. You can take and blend it up into your food processor, or if you have a smoothie blender, you can use that. A regular blender, I wouldn't advise because the blades are not as sharp. But you save your avocado seeds. You can also plant these as well, and to try to grow your own tree. Uh, it's going to take a while, but this seed right here has a lot of nutrition in it. You can take this every day. If you blend it up, it turns into a powder. But also, another thing about this nut, let it dry out for a couple of days until it gets extremely hard because they're soft when they first come out, sort of. So you hear this? It's hard. Uh, but I'm going to leave this out for another 2 days. It's only been out for a day and a half. You can take these nuts. Actually, this is only 2 nuts blended up in here. You can take this powder and put this into your smoothies every day, and it's really nutrition for you and stuff. It has, I want to say that this has a vitamin K in it, but I know for sure that it has vitamin C and A in it. It's vitamin E as well because it's so good for your skin. It's also good for the acne. If you have acne really, really bad, avocado is the way to go. Also, too, if you go to the grocery store or go to the farmer's market, I know that sometimes avocado is very expensive as they're normally 3 for $5. But I went to the farmer's market the other day and I found this big, huge bag of avocados and I only spent $5.98 for them, which was amazing to me because that's a lot of avocados. Also, to make sure that your patients are drinking plenty, plenty of water. Um, Sometimes patients don't want to uh, take their medications. Like I said, try that avocado, cream potatoes, and mix the medication inside. They would never know it's there. Make food fun for your patient. You can even take and freeze your smoothies and make it out of an ice cup. Make them think they're drinking a milkshake. You know, they love sweets, but sugar is not always good for us. So if we can do natural things, then that's even better. But this is your Queen Diva, and I'm going to sign off. Like I said, don't forget to hit that button and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.